Hey, only mate. Looking this way because the sun's over to my right. And today I'm going for a walk on the Oare Wildlife Trust thing. I don't know. I should know shortly. I've forgotten. Plus I haven't got a sign to show me. So yeah, I've got a big camera. It's about 7 o'clock, you know, in the evening, obviously, and yeah, I'm just going to walk around the wildlife park thing and yeah, see what's about. Hopefully, I don't know whether the tide's in or out. I didn't go over the bank. See if I can see some seals for you. And yeah, that's it. It's my journey today. Yeah, glad to be back out. But just been talking to a lady. Asked me what I was doing. I told her I'm not a bird seeker. It's actually a twitcher. I used to call them twits, but it's a twitchers up here. She recognised it, but she said that her and husband and son were going to go for a walk, and it's 33, so they've not gone too far. They're back in the car now. Yeah, it looks like the whole thing's dried up a bit, the lake or whatever. Anyway, write in the comments what these are. This is the wildlife park. No, it's not a park. I know it ain't, but I just can't think. I want to get these fellas with bird watching and see. Anyway, see you in a bit. I've got to do some covert filming. My first board, Oare Marshes, one of over 50 Kent Wildlife Trust nature reserves. I knew it was by this kind of thing. And these are all the birds you might see. I have got my app on, seeing whether the birds. No, it's a oh, took my glasses off. Green sandpiper. I can't see a sandpiper on it. And a gull. A few birds out there, look. The fella's still watching. Have a little chat with them. Okay then, so what we found out that's a nature reserve. I've put me Merlin app on, and we've got, I mean, last on it had 2 and now I've got about 10. But it is a nature reserve. Spoke to them 2 fellas there, nice chaps, and I said, now I'm pointing now, you should be, yeah, see it, I've got it on the camera there, the scrape, or, oh, can't remember the other name now. Anyway, leave a comment. Anyway, so it says the water's down pretty low. But I was going to go light because the temperature was showing 33, but I bought me great big tripod because the camcorder doesn't do handheld very good. So I thought, well, bad enough you're seeing this on the GoPro. So what's everyone been up to? Got the Pirate Festival soon, haven't we? What's that? That's two. Yeah, 2 weeks. Yeah, 13th or the 14th, whatever one. That should be fun. I'll be down there. I've volunteered to help as part of my volunteering. So if you see me down there, give us a wave. I'm not going to be filming it. Alright, excuse me a minute. You see my shadow there? Yeah. Yeah, I won't be filming, but I will have me photo camera on me. Take photos. You see them? Oh, you got them. Little butterflies. Right, hopefully we'll end this with a sunset again. I've got a different camera today. Got the camcorder. All blackberries, look, there's little flowers. Look at that. Oh, it's marvellous, isn't it? Right, was it 9-10 days into spring, summer, sorry, from spring. Don't forget I do astronomical, not meteorological. I know I keep saying it, but I'll probably say it again on the autumn and winter. Right, where I'm heading, in there, in the hide. See if I can get some nice shots. Okay, there's a notice board. Look, taking care of Kent's wildlife. Kent Wildlife Trust works with the people of Kent and Medway to protect wildlife for everyone to enjoy. Don't have any information about that. The info down on the screen. And coming here, look, and they got I've just been looking at that. You should see that from the back. I see one of those flying earlier, an egret. Whether it's a little one, I don't know, white. I like hen harrier, peregrine, common kestrel, sparrowhawk, hobby, looks a bit like a swift, look. Merlin, common cuckoo. Well, I know the cuckoo feed. Oh, years, I suppose. Right, I see, what I heard earlier come up on there. Now, one of the fellas who I was talking to, a bird come up, but he said he very much doubt it if it was here, if it was that one. But as you'd expect a place like this, I've got 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 birds. So. Yeah, it's just sandling, but it's rare, so that's probably why. Yeah. But nice to think it was, but I wouldn't know. So I'm going to take the fella's word for it. And yeah, this is the East Hide. And there's the old camera. There it is here. Now I've got to walk all the way around there. Right, let's get going. I'll leave the Merlin app recording and see you in a bit.
walking slow by the water's bend. The creek whispers like an old friend. Rusty boats and the sky so wide. The tide hums low with nothing to hide. Feel the warmth of the sun on my face. Every ripple here leaves a trace. Bird song dances with the breeze. This quiet world puts my mind at ease. Pebbles crunch where the pathway winds. Old wood creaks with the weight of time. Reflections dance in the shallow streams, carving moments from fleeting dreams. Feel the warmth of the sun on my face. Every ripple here leaves a trace. Bird song dances with the breeze. This quiet world puts my mind at ease. Echoes of laughter from a time long past. The creek remembers the memories cast. The gull calls out as the day turns gold. The story unfolds in whispers untold. Feel the warmth of the sun on my face. Every ripple here leaves a trace. Bird song dances with the breeze. This quiet world puts my mind at ease.
Yeah, this seal's there. We'll start filming it. Press record, eh? Bit hard because they lay so flat, but they are a different colour. They're lighter than the mud. There's a big one to the right, which you'll see. And yeah, just put his head up. I'd say there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Definitely 6. Might be a bit more. They're massed. Yeah, all together like. I'm going to scoot round a bit. Nah. Oh, there's quite stuff in here. It's wet in there. Right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to 1500. Obviously, point is going into 1500, but if I go to 80 or 100, I'll stop recording. Bit set up, blip, 1500. Exit there. It's gone I record it all even moving, you might get motion sickness. You have to move a fraction. Right, what am I at? I'm at 200. Oh, going 15. Let's see. I'll stick to 200. There's 200. It's basking in the old sun. It's amazing that we've got things like that around in our waters. There's 1, 2. Oh yeah, did you see that big one move? Oh yeah, moving inland a bit. Look at that, look. In case you thought it was a log. Oh. It's hard to, because I let go and then it's there you've seen them. That's the best I can do. If we're going any further, it would be. What was that 1 hour sound? Can't see it by eye. Might be. Alright, see if I can zoom and get it. And it stays still. So it's going up. Oh God. It's what happens when you use a long zoom. Hopefully it come up there. No. There we go, look, there he goes. Let's see if he can go in the water. Bloody. It just keeps moving. Let go, it goes round to the right, and yet you can't see it move visually. Well, there's a nice seagull coming in. Like this. I prefer looking through the eyepiece. Oh yeah, look at that, you can see him not there. Maybe daddy bull. Anyway, sorry about the thing, but it's only a little sensor, as I've said before. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was 5, I thought it was 6. Oh look, it's going. Where is it going in the water? Is it deep enough for it? Yeah. Oh, it's gone down towards the water. I can't see if it's gone in. I think it might still be in the mud, yeah. It's a movement there, and yeah, see it bobbing. Still bobbing. I think that is one. Would you say that's one? Yeah, it is, yeah, look at that. I don't suppose they've got any predators here, have they? Any predators they got is a orca, isn't it? Right. Right. Hope you enjoyed that. move on to our next bit. Get a few shots. Well, there's a boat on the bank there, and get the windmills over the prison, and then I'll move on. Well, that's it. You can't see as well in the GoPro. No, I've only got auto settings, but yeah, did see it, and I must admit, when it's behind some of the clouds, look really nice. I think all sunsets are really nice. Oh, well, that's enough for me now. When did I come out? Oh, bugs are getting me. I've gone 6:30 because the ITN news about 7:15. So I've been out 2.5 hours. I've had a nice walk. It's really cool now. You know, a little bit of a breeze coming from Whitstable way. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the nature reserve. It's not a lot, it's only going to be a short video. Well, if you've watched it this far, you know it's only a short video. But I don't want to bore you with half-hour ones. It's, yeah, plus it's time editing and that. Do nice little short ones now and again like this. I've got still got to do Bolton, meet up with John Bolton, and probably that's a 2-day affair. You know, 2 video affair. Yeah, and some other things in line at the pirate show. But and like I said before, I'll be marshalling the sites, but I'll have my camera, so come out and talk to us. You know, and I'll tell you where Captain Jack is, and any other pirate that's going to turn up. I'll get your ringside tickets, right? Cost you a cup of tea and a bit of cake. Ringside tickets for Captain Jack and the parrots. Yeah, there's a few other things, so keep an eye out. I'll be back on it now. It's been a bit slow. There's so much to do. I know it's easy said, but it's also in the middle of the day. Well, I'm not going walking like I did last year when what day was it? Did it touch 40 or something? Oh, it was like year before last, wasn't it? Well, they were saying it was touch 40. Anyway, it was and I went out. I went out in the morning. I stayed in the shade the rest of the day. It's nice over here. Don't like all the bugs. I haven't been bitten. They're only little bugs that feed the birds, don't they? Couple of people on the end of the slipway. Few boats moored up. Can't see any lights on them. See whether they were at home. 4 cars in the car park, mine included. See if I could hear the water. But yeah, look. Oh, do you think I should do East Church where the old airfield was? Or, well, what parts you can get on, obviously it's a bit if you're having a prison there, but just imagine there's some parts you think they've got a museum there. If you want me to go over to East Church, let us know. I couldn't open it with the other hand, sorry. I've got the camera and the tripod. Right, people there, so I bet it's time to see me. And I hope you've enjoyed it. I have. It's been really nice actually. Nice, peaceful, relaxing. And yeah, see you soon.